Nice graphics. Fridge helper. Click to start. Is this a point and click game? Survive for 14 days while feeding your pet dinosaur. Introduction and tutorial. You find yourself in the middle of the month with only $100 left in your bank. You have plenty of food in your fridge, but you can't leave your apartment because of the quarantine. These are the times when you're starting to regret that you adopted a pet dinosaur. You two can't go without food for too long before both of you would have to consider devouring the other. The font could be changed. It's, I don't know, classic. I mean, Arial. Is it Arial? It could be more fun. That would be a sad ending of a happy friendship. Can both of you stay alive for 14 days? Okay, dinosaur and staying alive. Future dinosaur, pet dinosaur. Cool idea, actually. Oh, dinosaurs' eyes move. Oops, I clicked something. This is the nutrition it needs. This. Where is the nutrition it needs? Where is it? This. Okay. I mean, I don't know where it's showing. I think definitely the font has to be changed. I mean, it's not bad, but it could be improved better. The images are nice and they have their own font. And the today text is different font. Each item has values of what it contains. Each item has values of what it contains. Energy, protein, vitamin. Dino will lose health if a value is too low or high. 0 HP is game over. Okay, these are the values. Click on the clock to progress to the next day. New deals come up each day. Some have an optional price. Cash is limited. Whatever. Saving food items for too long will cause them to expire, which lower their values. Keep your fridge clean and throw old food. I mean, instead of showing this manual all at once, you could show it step by step as you play. Because I just forgot what I had to do. I can't keep all of this in mind at once. Keep your fridge clean and throw old food. Don't feed it anything you wouldn't eat yourself. Okay, now we're playing. I don't know what to do now. Are you hungry? 50% water. I will give you some water because I'm thirsty as well. Where is the water? Bottle of water. Am I feeding it now or do I have to drag it? Okay, that's cool. He ate the water bottle. I mean, I didn't see him eating it, but it probably did. And what is this stuff? Grocery shopping? Water is full, okay. Energy. How do you give energy? Bread? Bread gives protein, vitamins. I think that this is enough for today. Oh my god, 20% energy. Let's eat meat. Where's the meat? We don't have meat. Dinosaur needs meat, man. Okay, water, hard bread. Okay, tomato is fine. It didn't give much energy though. Oh my god, it's gonna die. Let's buy some meat. Where is the meat? Okay, toast. It didn't give energy either. What do you do with the flour? Do you make bread? Okay, buy. Egg. Okay, egg will do. Ham. Okay, ham. Egg. I like the drag and drop style. Cheese is cool. Oh, they are dropping. Is this the fridge? Why is it always open? Okay, ham. Oops. Okay, energy is fine. Something is low. What is this? Vitamin. How do you give vitamin? Orange. Oh no, something. Protein. What? Water is. Water bottle. Let's buy some water. Oh, there are more items when you click. Did I just buy all of these things? Oh my god. I didn't mean to. What is this stuff? Day one, day two. I need water. How do you buy water? Where do you buy water? Oh, I can throw things out. Okay, these are gone bad. I'll throw them to the trash can. I can't find the water. Well, it's nice time. I'm having a nice time playing this game. The graphics are good. I mean, the items are really nice and fits the theme. I mean, overall they are consistent art style. But these UI elements, again, the text is out of context. The icons are too small to see, and these texts are too small. Clock, I mean, the items are all over the place. They should be in order. I shouldn't be able to do this, I think. And I can't find the water. Anyway, let's next day. I need water. Where do you get the water, man? Wait, some of these went bad. I didn't mean to buy them anyway. I'll throw them into the trash. I mean, this is taking too long. Buy button is gone. Where did it go? And what is this days mean? Mix bag. I can't click those. Today free. Nutella is bad for you. Do I have money somewhere? Oh yeah, I have $13. I can't buy anything. And I am low on water. Oh my god. This looks like a tea bag. Okay, jam. Potato, Nutella, throw in the trash. Flour. Do you eat flour? Oh, it shows how much how much water and vitamins you're gonna get here. I just noticed that. I will get minus 25 water, which is, I don't. How did my water increase? Does it just increase by itself? I'm not sure. Pie is gone bad. These are gone bad. Mystery delivery. Okay, it's mystery. I am so thirsty, man. Let's just pass one more day. Okay, what is happening? Okay, lots of fruit. It gives me water. Good. Okay, water is fine now. And I don't seem to be affected by low statics. What is this? Energy. Protein. Juice. Okay, juice. I'm good on water. I'll just put this in the fridge. Is this coconut? No, orange. Maybe the items could have different colors. Not that they're bad with same color, just an idea. And I can't control what I buy. I think this is mystery. Oh, this deal comes preset. Okay, this is health, overall health, 51. Okay, and I am low on vitamin. Let's give some orange, apple, orange. Health should be good now. Everything's fine. Let's let you have some banana. Okay, good. Another banana. I, when I go like this, it pushes the other item, and the dinosaur eats something that I didn't intend to give to dinosaur. Okay, how many days do I have to go? Okay, 6 days left. Soda, not flour. These are gone bad. I'll get some more fruit. I like fruit. I can't. Okay, why not? Because I don't have money. Oh, this buy deal thing is related to the right side of stuff here. 6 days left, and these are the things I will get each day. Okay, I think I'm getting more of this. 5 days left. And oh, okay, as the days progress, the things I will buy differ. Okay, I am low on health. I need to be careful. I hope I don't die. Okay, energy. Flour will give energy, but no water. Takes away water. Is this water? Yes, okay. Okay, water is fine. What? Flour didn't give energy. It took energy away. I thought it was gonna give me energy. Well, this item mm, bars, difference bars are, you know, how do you say, They are getting out of bounds. That's not good. And maybe the text could be different color for negative values. And again, the icons are too small to see. I mean, it's not necessary, but I think there needs to be a better visual indicator for negative and positive values. I'm not sure how to do that. Okay, egg gone bad. Festival. Which one gives me energy? I don't have money. How do you gain money? Does it say it here? Okay, whatever. I need energy. How do you gain food? I mean money. Okay, I don't have money. I just bought everything mindlessly and I don't have any money. Okay, energy. There is nothing that will give me energy here. Oh, when I hover over items, the bars on the left show the change that's gonna cause. So that's a nice idea maybe, but it should be better executed. Oh man, game over. Okay, sorry I couldn't finish your game. Well, maybe this should have a this should show the reason I failed. I mean, I failed the reason and the dinosaur animation, more animation for the dinosaur, and the game restarts. Okay, thank you.